So my name is Catherine Bishop, and I studied here, did a Masters in International Politics many years ago, before going on to do a PhD at Reading University and becoming an Olympic rower and working in the Foreign Office, and currently working as a freelance leadership development consultant. It's a real honour for me to be here to receive this honorary fellowship. I'm delighted that it feels there's an ongoing connection between myself and Aberystwyth University, and all the stuff I studied here that has carried on being part of what I've done. Sort of keeps me connected, and I'm really pleased to feel that university are proud of what I've gone on and done, and keeping that connection up. It's wonderful to be back in Aberystwyth, particularly as the sun is shining. I remember some really cold, windy winter days. It's a beautiful summer's day, and so it looks glorious, and I'm feeling very nostalgic, and I'm remembering all the different experiences I had here, both the academic ones and also all the stuff that happens outside of the academic studies. So I'm remembering all of that and feeling very fortunate to be back here.